In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Typeform to Stripe for an easy integration. This process should take just about 5 minutes, so let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Typeform website and locate the login page. Here you'll have several options to log in. You can use your email address and password if you've previously set that up, or if you prefer, you have the convenience of using any linked accounts such as Google or Microsoft. This is a great time saver if you have multiple accounts, so choose the one that best fits your needs. Once you've entered your credentials, go ahead and click that login button. Now after you've successfully logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard. From here, choose the form you'd like to work with. Once you've decided which form needs that payment integration, open it. This will be the form where we will add a payment question to allow users to make transactions directly. Next, you'll want to add content to your form. Look for a button or link that says something like plus add content. Clicking this will allow you to make modifications to your form by adding new elements and questions. In this context, you'll want to specifically select payment as the additional element you want to include. This is essential for our integration with Stripe as it will facilitate the transaction process. Once you've selected payment, you'll need to refine your payment details further by selecting the payment question type. Make sure you enter the text for your payment question thoughtfully. This will be visible to users, so clarity is important. Perhaps include a prompt like please enter your payment details to continue. Over to the right hand side of your screen, you'll notice a sidebar where you'll find several tabs. Click on the one marked question. This section is where you manage all the specifics relating to your payment question. In this sidebar, locate the option to connect to Stripe. You'll see a button or link that says connect to Stripe. When you click on this, it will gear up to establish the connection needed for processing payments. This action will open a new tab in your browser. In this new tab, you will have the opportunity to either log into an existing Stripe account if you already have one, or you'll be prompted to create a new one. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. And there you go. You've now connected your Typeform to Stripe, enabling you to collect payments directly through your form. This setup not only streamlines the user experience, but also simplifies your own processes by bringing everything under one roof. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Until next time, happy form building.